Hello guys, today I'm going to show you the charting library which we can use for the React project or Angular project. So I just head over to the amchart.com website, and it has good feature like XY chart, then other percent chart, pie chart, then pyramid also has supported, and it has good support. And the main is that I see the lot of charting what I say packages, but it is quite suitable for your requirement because it supports the customization, so you can customize your charting. Let's see the demo. So I just head out to demos. You can see the list of all the types of chart like column and bar, line and area. So you can see pie and donut. So it has good representation of the chart, and you can see it support the proper JavaScript. You just have to add this code in your project, and you can see the proper representation of this pie chart. And also it has good variety of the chart like stack bar chart, then it's a pictorial column chart also is supported. And as compared to the other chart, I see there is no any customization. And one more thing is that in the Amchart, suppose you have to use this Amchart for server side rendering, like suppose you are deploy your project on server, like your server like PM2 server, Nginx server, and then you have to use JavaScript code like this way. You have to define the code like this way, like which we define like in the JavaScript file, simple JavaScript file. Suppose you are using this file and for your project, and you can define this way, because I have seen the problem. Suppose you're using this Amchart like in the React form, like JSX syntax, it won't work. So you have to define like in the JavaScript. So I'll show you the demo which I just wrote. So you can see this is a React file. Okay, I imported React, and then I declare the function like function component, and inside this I use effect and then call this all the properties of this chart. I'm using the category access chart. You can see over here the category chart in this way, like this is the category chart, cluster chart and all. So I use this chart for my project, and I customize for the name of the x-axis and y-axis, and also I define the scrollable bar for this graph. And also suppose you have to use other chart also, you can refer the codepen.io, which you will get all the code from the codepen.io. It has good properly represent the code and properly define all the properties of the chart. You can customize the properties also. You just have to see the official website of this Amchart4. There are two versions of the Amchart. One is a Amchart4 and Amchart5. Amchart3 is not working right now. It is deprecated by the Amchart, and so you have to refer this Amchart4 and Amchart5. So you can just simply download using by doing the npm install, or you can refer the CDN link also. Suppose you are using this. In my project, in my React project, I use a CDN link for running this Amchart library. And one more thing is that it is quite suitable for Angular also, and there is a lot of demos as available, and you can refer all these things. And one more thing is that it's quite best is that it is quite compatible for your project, like for the React project or Angular project. So please refer this website for your charting. Suppose you define data in proper representation or proper data representation, so you can refer this website. And it has good features and good support and good community. So you will get all your queries through this community group and all this. So go and refer this Amchart library and use this, and let me know your any suggestion or any requirement. So just mention in the comment. Thank you for watching my videos. Bye.